Hey everybody, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I just want to show you a couple of live trades so you can see what's going on with the Super Easy Forex family. As you can see right here, this is a live trade that was called by one of the students in our class today. As you can see, it wasn't too complicated. Triple arrows. This is the Euro USD 30-minute right here. And you can see we're up 24 pips on that one. We also provide a additional service. After you purchase the trading system, you can go to step 5 in the tutorials, and there's an additional service called our 6-figure challenge, where we actually send you guys out signals and additional training live trade classes with our other professional traders. We do have a number of professional traders who provide training and assistance for you guys, so it's not just me. We have a team of people now who also will assist you, and I want to show you a signal that was sent out last night on this one that closed in profit. As you can see, triple arrows came in. That was one of them. The AUD Swiss was another one that came in, and that was great profits. Let me show you one that is still running. Look at there, 196 pips. I have to go to the 4 hour so you can see it a little better. As you can see, here's triple arrows and 195 pips on that one. Here's one that was called out in class today, and as you can see, this one is up triple arrows. This is the technique that we use, and this is currently up 30 pips. Let's take a look at another one. Let's see, we have this one here, the EJ, 199 pips. You see that? These are live trades. So this is October 1st, 2019. You can easily go back on your own charts and verify the trades to see whether they were actually legitimate trades or not. So right here, you can see the entry was real clean on this one. I've been holding this one for a little while, but now I'm up on this one, currently 200 pips on that one. And then let's take a look at this. I think we looked at EU. Yeah, that's the one that was called in class. We talked about that one. And let's take a look at that one. AN. Okay, we talked about that one. Then let's take a look at this one. This one is one where I did a video last week for you guys. And the name of that video, let me move my head out the way for you. Give me a second. All right, the name of that video was how to convert stop losses into take profits. Okay, how to convert your stop losses into profits. And so I sent out a signal to the group myself, and there's several as who send signals out. But as you can see, yeah, our stop loss did get tapped a little bit, but we re-entered the trade. As you can see now, you get them. Because when you understand market structure and how the market makers manipulates the market, even if you do take a loss, you can convert that right back into a winner. And so we got hit by like the 30 or 40 pip stop loss, but as you can see, made that back with profit. Okay, with profit. As you can see, it's moving still. See, this is a live trade. This is not something pre-recorded or manipulated. These are live trades. So if you're looking at this video once I posted up on YouTube today, you can literally go to your charts and verify whether what we're talking about is true. This is an easy technique that we call the Stairmaster. Our triple arrows are right there on the 4 hour. So again, this is what you can expect when you join the team. Plenty of love, plenty of support. We're a one-of-a-kind trading family. Because everybody in there, we even have a room moderator because we have several social rooms in here on our Telegram channels, but we have a room moderator in there just to make sure that nobody's being negative, no scammers and spammers. I wanted to hire a person just for that alone, just to make sure that when you join the Super Easy Forex family, your experience with us is different and better than what you possibly have somewhere else. So we don't tolerate any foolishness, negativity, and all those kind of things. We're just about trying to help each other get to the winning side of the Forex market. Okay, so not only are you seeing live trades, but I'm just telling you, here's what you can expect. Also, again, we do have this new service, which is called our 6-figure challenge. Once you sign up for the original program, then in step 5, you'll see that there. And that's where we actually have additional trainers who actually are 6-figure earners in the business. They provide signals. They also provide training classes for you guys if you want to do that. That is an option for you. Okay. Anyway, have a great day. And again, today is October 1st, 2019. So you can verify each and every one of these trades. Oh, see, look, I'm looking at it now. It's still dropping. Still dropping. Okay. So anyway, have a great day and be blessed. Bye.